Good afternoon and happy camping Friday. We are back in the beautiful Deschutes River Canyon. We were trying to escape the rain where we live at in Southwest Washington.
Storms.
Whew.
Oh man, we're getting floating away out over there. So we came east, as we like to do in the fall, winter,
Yeah,
spring.
I think it went from like summer to winter.
It's
somehow,
like 57 degrees out here.
Beautiful.
Blue
out.
sky-ish. And yeah, ready for a night of camping and
yeah,
a rooftop tent.
It's nice to get in some dry camping, so we're super excited.
What's that?
We have got to get set up, so let's go do that. And then
Take it from there.
Take it from there. Take you down to the river.
Beers on the river. Let's go. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. Go.
Go. Go. Go. Come on.
There we go.
Yeah. The struts are just taking a little bit of their time lately, huh?
They're like, what is this? We haven't been used in like months. Tell the people why it's important to do that.
We had this bad accident a long time ago. I think it was our first trip. This was a wham! Oh my God! Oh, we were just lucky there.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it chipped the window right there.
We're so lucky this didn't break. So.
We always make sure we're strapped
in, baby.
Strapped in before we use the ladder.
And I always go, strong bridge. There's a reason behind it.
Strong bridge, yeah. Strong wood, yeah.
Not very funny.
God, it's still wet from last weekend.
That's what she said.
Alright, so if you watched our last video at Takalak Lake, we told you we were going to give you a review on our FSR Cloud Topper mattress, but we did not because it was pouring down rain. If you missed that video, the link is in the description below, so go check that out. But, so we got the Cloud Topper mattress. It was amazing. It was so cold that night, and we definitely kept warm because it's kind of like feather, I don't know, fluffy, so it's like really holds in the heat. But it was really comfortable, and you know, we do have the two mattresses in there, and so that already is pretty comfortable, but this just made it like even more comfortable. So thumbs up approval from us on our PNW adventures. We love this, and it's actually on sale right now too. $55 on sale. It's regularly, I think, what was it, 60 or 70, something like that.
Sure.
Regular price. So really not that big of a cost for added comfort for your camping adventures.
40 live.
Right. All right, let's get this thing on.
All right, I got bed set up. Left the comforter down here. I don't think we'll need it since it's so warm. But usual, couple mattresses, cloud topper, couple blankets. Good to go. What are you doing? Drinking?
No, picking up other people's trash.
Drinking a twisted tea. Oh, we love this campground.
Yeah.
Especially when nobody's in it.
Really love it when nobody's in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely like this one. I mean, I like that other one we stayed at the other time. But
Jones Creek
Creek.
Canyon.
Yeah. But this one's really good. It's got big campsites, pretty river access.
Not bad.
Nope.
Release the Kraken!
Alright, well, it is starting to get late in the evening because the sun goes down a lot faster. So we're going to get dinner started. I've got a steak for Brian. I'm going to make myself a hamburger patty. And then we've got some garlic mashed potatoes that we're going to have with it. So, yeah, let's get dinner going. Ooh, I found these new gluten-free sandwich breads. Oh, they're really good. We had them for lunch today.
Not bad. Ah, release the stash.
All right, dinner is ready even before it got dark. Yeah. Uh-oh.
We left him in Nevada.
Creamy beef tips.
Update.
We got all cleaned up, got most of the big stuff put away.
We're toast.
We had a busy day yesterday with Halloween and work, and Brian decorated half the garage, and
Feeling it.
yeah, so it's nice to just sit and
Relax. Not that much wind. Pretty much died.
It kind of died down, which is nice.
Stars are out. New moon tonight.
So it's gonna be dark.
Hopefully get some night time lapse. Good night time lapse. Yeah, we're just gonna chill out.
Chill out. All right. So a friend of ours told us that he tried a Rice Krispie treat toasted over the fire. So we made Rice Krispie treats with gluten-free Rice Krispies, and I added some like caramel sauce to the marshmallow butter mixture, which they're really good by themselves. So we're going to try out this masterpiece here and see what we think of it. Like, they're not bad. I mean, it's pretty good. Tastes all warmed up and stuff. Not bad.
Episodes, your campfires?
Yeah.
So Rebecca and
47, yeah, it's a good point.
Like, that's not cool.
I didn't play his fight because he told us. I know.
He's probably singing albums.
Ooh, that's different. Woo!
All right, that is it for us tonight. We are going to go curl up in the tent, watch a movie, get warm,
And sleep a lot.
Sleep a lot because we are tired. And yeah,
Let's
we'll
go.
pick this up in the AM. Enjoy this night time lapse, hopefully.
Yeah.
All right, see you in the
Sick.
morning.
Peace. Morning.
Oh, good morning.
We're live.
We are alive. Had a great night of sleep, except it did rain on and off last night, so
Yeah,
we're a little soggy this morning.
Everything's wet, so whatever.
But it's a beautiful day out this morning.
It's
Blue
beautiful.
sky,
Little
sunshine
cold.
down that way. That'll hopefully hit us soon.
Yeah, it's creeping closer. Come on, son. Come on. Check it out.
We got coffee. Just finished up breakfast. Made the ultimate breakfast sandwich. It's been a while since we've had one of those. So good.
Yep, that was awesome.
So we're just gonna hang out for a little while.
Let the sun dry our tent.
Yeah. Relax.
Yep.
Pack up slowly.
Yep, and then on to the next. That's it. That's it.
That is it for our camping adventure at Deschutes Canyon. We didn't get to see any bighorn sheep this time. I'm kind of bummed.
That's hunting season, so
yeah, they're
yeah.
probably way out.
Yeah, they're in the middle of nowhere.
But it was beautiful. I love this area so much. It's such a great area to come to for like late fall camping because it's
Early spring.
usually dry.
Winter maybe. We might be back in a month or two with our trailer, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
But
Love
gosh,
it
it
out
was
here.
so nice just to like relax packing up too, and like not have to be rushed
Yeah.
because it's like pouring
It's
down
freaking
rain.
noon. It's awesome.
Yeah.
But now we are on to our next adventure next week's. Where are we going? I don't know.
I have no clue.
So I better tune in and find out.
See if we make it anywhere. Who knows?
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.